Hello friends, my name is Janvi Gangotra. Here I am going to discuss about my lab 4 in ITEC 5402. I am the student from Sydney campus. In this lab, I have done 5 tasks about which I will discuss one by one. First, I will discuss about the task 1 in which to display a purchase order for 60 off-road helmets and 150 road helmets from vendor Olympic Protective Gear. For this task, I have chosen my purchasing document items app. In the field supplier, I have pressed F4 for the help and enter Olympic Protective Gear in the supplier name field. I press go. After that, I press go. After select the supplier 101999 from the item lines, I press the OK. After that, in the My Purchasing Document item screen, I enter MI00 as plant. Click on the purchase order items. I have choose the tab purchase order. I can see the first and the second line of the standard purchase order number from the vendor 101999 Olympic Protective Gear. That's all for the task first. In the task second, in which I have choose the material document app overview to display the good receipt for purchase order. In this task, first I have changed the material document here to 2016. In the field material document, I entered the receipt number. The system now display the good receipt document. This document contains information about the material of road helmet and the road helmet. I double click on a material or the material document number. I can find more information. For example, about to posting date and the who performed the transaction. That's all for the task second. In the task third, I have to display the invoice overview from our vendor choosing the app My Purchasing Document items. In this, I have used F4 for the field supplier, enters the supplier ID and pressed the go button, and after that select line of the Olympic Protective Gear from the appearing screen. In the supplier invoice, we can see the order and the delivered quantity, the order value as well as the status of each line. Also, to get more information about the invoice, I have pressed the arrow button which is displayed on the screen. That's all for the task third. After that, task 4, in which I have to display to vendor, I have choose sorry in task 4 display payment to vendor, I have choose manage journal entries app. Enter the company code which is Global Bike Incorporation. After change posting date range, I choose go. Now on this screen I have seen journal entries and search for my document number in journal entry. Click on my number and select manage journal entry. After that, I have directed to the journal entry. To see all related documents, I can click on related document items. That's all for the task 4. After that, task 5th, in which I in this task I have to display the vendor line items by using the app manage supplier line items. I have used the F4 help in the field supplier. I enter the field search term 999 and supplier name Olympic Protective Gear and to choose 999 Olympic Protective Gear. I have select my supplier and press OK. For status, I choose all items. For posting date, I choose 1 of January 2016 to 30 of August 2016. After that I have pressed go. On the screen, I can see that all posting for the vendor are balanced. That's all for the 5th task. Thank you.